3rd of February on a Tuesday. Time now is 1:22 p.m. in Singapore, and today it seems that there's quite a lot of trading opportunity. So let's get started off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so back to the day one chart itself. We have seen that the price has continues to fall further towards the bottom of the rising trend channel, where the Fibonacci retracement level of 50% coincides together with the bottom of the channel itself, and therefore zooming in into the smaller time frame in the 4-hourly chart. Right, we can see that in the 4-hourly chart, the support level at the price of 1.0944 has been measured as the second exhaustion level based on the Fibonacci expansion, and therefore it is also right at the retracement level of 50%. At the same time, of course, at the bottom of the rising trend channel that's based on the day one chart, and therefore this is a key support level that we shall be looking at to go for the buy. Of course, not forget to mention that this level itself can also be seen as a previous key resistance turn support level too. So do take note of this level for the buy opportunity. Alright, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, let's take a look at the pound against the US dollar. Alright, similarly, the price has fell further more than the euro, I guess. Guess the Brexit itself, the impact of the Brexit has caused more impact on the pound against the euro, and therefore it seems to have depreciated much further than the euro itself. But anyway, what we can see that is that the pound dollar has reached a new low, as low as the price of 1.4056 as compared to the previous low back in 21st January, which is at the price of 1.4075. Therefore, at the same time, we have seen that it has broken below the bottom of the falling trend channel itself. That signals for further depreciation. Alright, so it seems that both technical chart and the fundamental is supporting that the pound against US dollar will continue to depreciate. So let's zoom in into the 1-hourly chart itself. We can see that the price is currently making a retracement, came down a little bit, and we might expect the price to retrace once more and towards the retracement level of 50%, or rather slightly higher to the key support turn resistance level at the price of 1.4246 for a sell opportunity. Alright, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. And next, let's take a look at the Aussie against the US dollar. So let's take a look at the day one chart. As we can see that the price has broke above a key junction, whereby we have rising trend line and the falling trend line that coincides together with. But however, price has broke above both trend lines above the junction, signaling for the price to appreciate further. And it seems that many traders out there, based on the news articles and stuff like that, it seems that a lot of people has been turning bullish for the Australia, the Aussie. And as I've mentioned in the past, that the Australia against US dollar may appreciate further, as well as there is a inaction from the Reserve Bank of Australia, based on my personal opinion, to talk about any further rate cut, and therefore the market might just want to push Aussie higher for the Reserve Bank of Australia to take some action. Alright, so anyway, back to the Aussie against US dollar on the technical charts. Let's zoom in into the 4-hourly chart. We can see that there is a probable rising trend channel. Alright, but at the side into the 1-hourly chart, alright, the price is seen pretty exhausted from the recent appreciation and may begin to retrace. So we are looking for a buy opportunity as the price retraces towards the support level, or rather a resistance and support level at the price of 0.7180, slightly above the retracement level of 38.2%. Alright, so that's for the price to look for the buy. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. And next we have the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. So quick summary on the day one chart, we have seen that there was a ascending triangle that's forming right here. Therefore, expect the price to appreciate towards the top, since it has rebounded off from the bottom and coming into a consolidation. Subsequently, we expect it to go a little bit higher. Alright, so into the 1-hourly charts right away. Alright, so we know that previously there was a falling trend channel that's based on the 4-hourly chart, but based on the 1-hourly chart, we've seen that the price has broke above the top of that falling trend channel, which actually looks more like a range. And at the same time, it has been forming a rising trend channel if we obsolete this portion, which is most likely caused by news impact. Alright, so this channel itself is still pretty much valid, and therefore we are looking for an opportunity to go for the buy as the price begins to retrace towards the bottom of the rising trend channel at the support, or rather again a resistance support level at the price of 0.6664 and at the retracement level of 38.2%. So let's wait for the price to retrace for the buy opportunity for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Right, very soon, last but not least, we have come to the last currency pair, which is the euro against pound. Pretty long time have not been touching on this currency pair, but anyway, in the weekly chart itself, we have seen that the price has been falling within a falling trend channel on a weekly chart, so that's a very big one. So and the price has been appreciating towards the top of the channel itself since supported and rebounded off from the bottom. Alright, so let's zoom into the smaller time frame in the 4-hourly chart to look for opportunity to go for the buy. And based on the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price has been forming a running trend channel as well, right now it is seen moving in a sideways movement between the range of between the price of 0.7706 to 0.7843. Right now is somewhere at the high at the top of the range itself, so we would like to wait for the price to fall and retrace again towards first the bottom of the running trend channel and towards the bottom of the range at the price of 0.7706, which is the retracement level of 50% as well. So that will be the key level to go for the buy. But however, if we were to go for the buy for the euro against the pound when the price reaches bottom right here, we may want to take the bottom of the falling of this rising trend channel to set our stop loss below it. Alright, so that is just my personal recommendation, and with that I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.